Alright, so just like ChatGPT with its new group chat tool, Copilot from Microsoft just released the same tool, but this one is a bit different. It behaves slightly differently than the one that we have in ChatGPT. So anyway, let me show you how you can use this group chat feature in Copilot, and later, with a quick demonstration, I'll explain how this tool actually works, because again, it is a bit different. Anyway, so as you can see, there are two different browser sessions, and the one on the left will be used as the host, and the one on the right will be used as the guest. So basically, that person will join the chat that was created by the host. So to create a group chat, you must first create a regular chat first, so you can initiate a conversation with AI. And in this case, I'll just start a greeting message. Hi there. And only after that, you can click this invite button and you can generate an invite link. Just click this button and the link has been copied to your clipboard. So after that, you can share that link to the person that you want to invite into the group chat. Now for me, I'll just paste that link onto this browser session. And after that, that person can join the chat. And there you go. So he or she can see the exact same content that you're seeing on the group chat window. So here's the deal. It is again different than the one in ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, every time you're sending a message, AI will evaluate if the question was asked towards the other member of the group or if it was a question for AI. But in Copilot, AI will always answer to any message, regardless if the chat or the message was asked towards the other member. So let me just give you one quick example. Let's say, have you received my email from yesterday? Okay, so that's a message that is clearly not for AI, it was for the other member. But, okay, as you can see, AI is still giving the answer. So I don't think this is behaving similarly with ChatGPT or the typical WhatsApp or Telegram group chat. I think this tool is mostly used for sort of brainstorming discussion, but not for a typical group conversation. So that's one thing that makes this tool a bit different. So AI will always answer to any message that you are throwing in this group chat. By the way, if you are let's say if you are a guest, you can always leave the group at any time. You can click the leave button right here. And now you're no longer the member. But if you're the host, of course, you can also leave, but that chat will be assigned to the other member. And if you're the host, of course, you have the access to control if you want to continue or delete the conversation. But yeah, that's essentially how you can use the new group chat feature in Microsoft Copilot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.